Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into Office 365. Use your work or school account. Once signed in, open My Account and go directly to security info. Make sure your current phone is nearby for verification codes because the system will confirm ownership. If you lack permission, contact your IT admin now, don't guess. Once ready, choose Add Method, select Phone, then enter the new number. This gets the process rolling and prevents lockouts. You'll now add and verify the new number. Select Phone and pick SMS or call. SMS is faster usually. Enter the correct country code and full number, double-checking digits to avoid rework. After submitting, expect a 6-digit code. Type it exactly into the verification field. If code fails, request a new one but wait a minute before retrying. Once verified, set the new phone as default for multi-factor authentication so future sign-ins use it. You finish by making the new number your default MFA method, then remove the old number to avoid confusion. Next, update recovery contacts and phone details in other Microsoft services like Teams and Outlook settings. Synchronization prevents access issues. If you get locked out, use saved backup codes or an alternate authentication method and contact your admin immediately if needed. A common fix: clear browser cookies or use an incognito window.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.